Do you know that skin cancer is the most prevalent type of cancer, with nearly 3.4 million people diagnosed in the US yearly? Additionally, the county where I live, San Mateo County, has a nearly 20% higher skin cancer rate compared to the state average. While skin cancer is dangerous overall, it is treatable early on, making it critical to detect early. When the first diagnosis is localized, the 5-year survival rate is over 99%. However, when the first diagnosis is regional, this drops to 75%. And when the first diagnosis is distant, this further drops to 35%. However, there's a significant barrier in detecting skin cancer early. The main method, dermatologists' visual inspections, requires waiting for doctors and creates a large cost for patients. Additionally, diagnostic accuracy for a visual inspection is only around 60%, and using dermoscopy, it's 89%. To combat this problem, I developed DermaSmart. First, it's free and easy to self-screen yourself. You just need to take or upload a photo. Second, you can access it from any personal device, including iPhones and Android, computers, tablets, ensuring broader accessibility for users. Third, it's powered by a high-accuracy AI model, leveraging the newest AI technology to benefit everyone's health. And fourth, no personal data is ever stored in the app. Users are free to choose to save the info and result by sending it to themselves or not. I'm doing a demo of my app, DermaSmart. Once we've downloaded the app onto our device, it works on iPhone, Android, also computer and tablet. We can open it. The first thing we see is the Start to Detect button. Once we click this, we can see there are two ways we can upload a photo. Either we can upload from our storage, or we can use the camera. So as you can see here, I have a dermoscope attachment to my camera. This helps the image quality of the camera, but it's not necessary. It's optional and is just for the image quality. DermaSmart is just as accurate on normal photos. So once we want to take a photo, we can take a photo. And then if I don't like the photo, I can retry. Once I get a photo that is to my liking, then I can press OK. The next thing is test it now. And let's see. Let's do that. Okay, so you can see it's analyzing, and boom. You can see it's very quick. It only takes around 5 seconds, and you can see it says it's benign. If I want to show it to my doctor or somebody else, or maybe myself, we can press the save button. The app doesn't store any data for privacy reasons, and it's purely the user's choice to send it to themselves or not, and data is never stored within the app itself. So we can see to share it to other people, or we can email it to myself by typing in our email here, and I'll send the email. So, but once we go back to the home screen, we can see there's these 3 pieces of information we can open about early detection, a tutorial, and also about the AI model. All in all, DermaSmart is a very powerful solution to this problem. Next is why DermaSmart is innovative and original. First, it's a new AI model trained in 2025 and achieves high accuracy statistics with 94.3% accuracy and 82.3% precision. This outperforms doctors' visual inspections with 60% accuracy and dermoscopies, which have 89% accuracy. And it also outperforms 2 state-of-the-art AI models. Second, it supports a wide range of devices, phones, computers, and tablets. They are all supported. And third, it has an intuitive user interface with clean UI design, a tutorial, and it takes only around 5 seconds to return the result. Finally, it's optimized for a medical or clinical user scenario and is compatible with dermoscopies to support more diagnostic scenarios and increase accuracy. It's also optimized for older phones, which have smaller screens. Next is the technology that powers DermaSmart. On the front end, React Native and Tailwind CSS enable cross-platform user interfaces that are both responsive and visually engaging. On the backside, deployment with Versal and AI integrations using Hugging Face offer robust scalability and advanced back-end features. For the intelligent AI model, frameworks like PyTorch and base models like BEIT power machine learning, delivering intelligent, adaptive application experiences. Then is how I train the AI models. This was a year-long effort to learn and train image classification models for this app. A problem with the existing AI models is that most current medical image AIs are CNN structured and trained only around 10,000 images, which can definitely be improved. So I made a few improvements. The first improvement is that I tested and trained more than 7 models from a variety of architectures, including the existing CNNs and also the newer VITs. The second improvement is that I enlarged the datasets greatly from 10,000 images to more than 80,000 images. DermaSmart utilizes the leading models. The base model for the final model is BIT, and it achieves an accuracy of 94.3%. And DermaSmart outperforms the accuracy of a doctor's visual inspection, endoscopy, and also 2 state-of-the-art AI models. All in all, DermaSmart is a very powerful solution that encompasses early detection, an intuitive UI, AI models, and support for all kinds of personal devices. DermaSmart is also free, easy, and fast, and compatible with dermoscopy. Thank you.